you're watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi and guys, today we are having the quick German phrases especially used in Germany for ordering food. So in this video it's gonna be super interesting. Thank you so much for showering lots of love to earlier video. This is gonna be an amazing video if you're watching me for the very first time. Then my name is Nidhi and I'm a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online offline classes. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, whatnot. So why to waste time? Let's get into the video. Let's go.
Quick German travel phrases. How to order food in German. First situation is when you enter in a restaurant or cafe, then common greetings are Guten Tag means good day. Hallo, haben Sie einen freien Tisch means hello, do you have a free table? Third phrase ist hier noch frei means is this seat free? And instead of this, if you want to reserve a table or you have a reserved table, then you can use Ich habe einen Tisch reserviert means I have reserved a table. Then auf den Namen Müller means under the name Müller. Now you can combine the sentence and say Ich habe einen Tisch auf den Namen Müller reserviert means I have reserved a table under the name Müller. When you want to ask for the menu, use Könnte ich bitte die Speisekarte sehen means could I see the menu please? Second, haben Sie auch eine englische Karte means do you also have an English menu? And for some special menus you can use Gibt es auch eine vegetarische oder vegane Karte means is there a vegetarian or vegan menu? Third situation is when ordering a drink. So start with ordering something to drink. You can use Ich hätte gern ein Glas Wasser means I had like a glass of water. Or second phrase Ich nehme ein Bier bitte means I'll take a beer please. Or when you are confused or you don't know what you should order, so you can use Was empfehlen Sie means what do you recommend. Instead of these phrases, you can use some other useful drink phrases also. For example, mit oder ohne Kohlensäure means with or without carbonation. Or ein Kaffee mit Milch bitte means a coffee with milk please. So you can add it according to you. For ordering food, so some basic polite phrases are Ich hätte gern means I had like to, or Ich nehme means I'll have, or für mich bitte means for me please. Now an example, Ich hätte gern die Bratwurst mit Pommes means I had like the sausage with fries. Or Ich nehme das Schnitzel mit Kartoffelsalat means I'll take the schnitzel with potato salad. If you are a vegetarian or have dietary restrictions, you can use Ich bin Vegetarier or Ich bin Vegetarierin means I am a vegetarian. Or Ich esse kein Fleisch means I don't eat meat. Third, Ist das Gericht glutenfrei means is this dish gluten free. Or last phrase is Enthält das Nüsse means does this contain nuts. Asking question about the menu. You can use Was ist das genau means what's that exactly. Or Wie wird das zubereitet means how is that prepared. Ist das scharf means is it spicy. Or Was empfehlen Sie heute means what do you recommend today. During the meal, the phrases which you can use are Schmeckt sehr gut means it tastes great. Second, Könnte ich bitte noch etwas Brot haben means could I have some more bread please. Or ein bisschen Salz bitte means a little salt please. Next situation is asking for the bills means when you are done eating and now you want the bill, then you can say Die Rechnung bitte means the bill please. Or Könnten wir bitte zahlen means could we pay please. Or Zusammen oder getrennt. This phrase is used by the waiter means together or separately. And now, if you want to pay by card, you can say Kann ich mit Karte zahlen means can I pay by card? And if tipping, then you can round up the amount means you usually round up the amount or say the tip aloud. Machen Sie 20 €. Bitte make it 20 euros please. When the bill is for example 18.50 euros, so you can make it round figure to 20 and tell them to have the tip. At the bakery or street food, some simple phrases are Ich hätte gern ein Brötchen mit Käse means I had like a bread roll with cheese, or Einmal Currywurst mit Pommes bitte means one curry sausage with fries please, or Zum Mitnehmen or zum hier essen means take away or to eat here. For this question you can answer zum Mitnehmen or zum hier essen. If you want to compliment the food, then some polite and nice phrases are Es war sehr lecker means it was delicious, or Das Essen war hervorragend means the food was excellent, or Vielen Dank, es hat sehr gut geschmeckt means thank you, it tasted very good. A bonus for you. Here are some of the most known food words in German. So the first is Das Besteck means cutlery. Die Speisekarte means menu. Die Vorspeise means starter. Die Hauptspeise means main course. Die Nachspeise or Nachtisch means dessert. Das Getränk means drink. Der Kellner or die Kellnerin means waiter or waitress. Die Portion means portion. Die Rechnung means bill. And Trinkgeld means tip.
How was this video? I hope you loved it. Thank you so much for showering lots of love. We'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning German, the German Gyan. Take care.